In this video, I'm going to show you how to download iTunes on PC or laptop without Microsoft Store. Okay, let's see that. First, on your PC, open Google Chrome and type iTunes. Then under apple.com, click this downloads. Here you can see the all versions of iTunes from old to latest versions. Choose your Windows bitrate. I choose 64-bit. To download this, just click this download button. Now it starts downloading. Once it's completely downloads, click here and click on open. Next, install and enter your Windows account PIN or password. Now it starts installing. Now again enter Windows account password or PIN. Finish. Agree. Yes. Now you successfully installed iTunes on PC without using Microsoft Store. And we already uploaded lots of useful videos about iTunes. Watch these playlist videos. I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.